I'm out here field cultivating. Let's see. Beans, weeds. Obviously I can't get the weeds out of the actual row, but everything between the row I can kill off and give the beans a better chance to shade out what's in the row before the weeds in between the rows start shading the beans out. So, just got 5 acres to do, probably half done. But it's going good. I'm going in second gear. Let's see, 4 miles an hour. Yeah. About 4 miles an hour. Going slow so that way I don't cover up the beans. Just trying to stay on the row. Alright, so running right down the row there. Trying not to kill any beans. Last pass down the field. Then I'll be back out here next weekend to do the same thing. Killed a lot of weeds today, so that's gonna do a lot of good. I could pay to have this sprayed, but that's expensive. And I have a cultivator, so I'm gonna try some this way. The other ones are sprayed. I don't want to put a lot of money into these and then have an early frost and them not produce a crop either, so this is the alternative. Still gets to use the land. Hopefully they turn out. The deer sure seem to enjoy them. They've been out here grazing them pretty regular. So I found every piece of twine in the field. So I got all that out. I'll have to throw that away. But got the whole field cultivated. See, there's quite a bit of grass in the rows still, but hopefully since it's just that grass, the beans will outgrow it. But this is a good representation of what I was doing. See, a couple inches on each side of the beans. Got a little closer there. But now none of the weeds in here will grow up and shade out the beans. They won't be competing with them. All they have to compete with is the stuff that's already below them. They're already a little bit taller. So hopefully they'll take off. So I got the trash pump down in the ditch, the one I was damming up in the last video, and I got a plate over there, so the water's coming in through the hose to right there, and then it's actually an old guard, so it's got a lip on it, so it's hitting that and kind of going up, so that way it's not just eroding straight out of the hose. It's kind of spreading it out and letting it flow over the sides of the guard. But I'll let that run for a little while. Let it flood some. This is kind of a sand hill, so it's gonna kind of keep flowing that way anyways. I need to put a filter on the trash pump. You can see it's dying over there. Probably out of gas. But I don't have a guard on the end of the hose down in the ditch right now. I need to get something on that before I run it too long. But I kind of just wanted to make sure the trash pump ran. I didn't put very much gas in it, so I'm sure it just ran out. But I'm going to fix something up and probably let water flow down these rows and then out into the field farther, hopefully. Okay, so I'm not gonna get this video out to you on Sunday like I've been trying to do, because Sunday's over in like 15 minutes. I think it's about 11:45. Grinding cattle feed. Start of this video was field cultivating. We got over 3 inches of rain this yesterday. So obviously I couldn't get back out in the field to do more field cultivating, but I was busy today. I went to the trainer who's training my lab and visited with him for a little too long. Got back late. Still needed to grind feed. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, come on. Come on, go in there. But got a decent amount of feed ground. Now I'm gonna go feed the cows. They're gonna be mad. 8:56 out here. Feed grinder basically empty. But I'll show you feeding the cows, I guess. Well, just looked at the time. It is 12:02, so it's Monday morning now. Got the feed grinder put away. Got the phone that won't focus. It really doesn't like nighttime with a flashlight. But I'm gonna take this 560 and this feed out and feed the cows. Okay, so I only ground about a week's worth of feed, then I ran out of supplement. So we'll probably be getting a shipment of supplement in within the next week. And I'll grind again next weekend. Cows are all up here, chowing down. But cows are happy now. And that means I can go home. Had a bug fly down my throat. That didn't taste good. But, bugs are bad out here. Red light. Bugs aren't attracted to the red light. But, I'm gonna head home. Probably call this a video. I'll throw a video of a couple of Angel Cakes Midget. She kind of got 3 names now. Retrieving for me after this. I hope you guys enjoy that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, have a good one. Except that cow right there that's standing in the feeder. It doesn't need to have a good one. And I remembered to shut the gate. Sit. Angel. Sit. Sit. Angel, go get it. Fetch up.